Hello, today we will learn about the layout of MS Word page. So by the layout, it's mean how your page will look like. Like you can control the margins or the gap from top, bottom, left, right. Then orientation means portrait or landscape. And then the size of your page, letter, legal, A4 and many other. It depends upon your requirement. Then line numbering, you can add continuous or none. Then indent means like here if you will click and you apply indent, so you can set how much indent it will be here from left side. Similarly, you need to click towards the right side and then you can apply the right side indentation, so that you can see the text is moving towards the left and there is a gap here in the right side. Similarly, line spacing, page color. So one by one we explore these options more. So first of all, as I tell you about the here margins. So suppose normal margins. So normal margins means from top, bottom, right, left. There is almost 1 cm gap. Then 1 inch gap. Then for the narrow, you can see now the gap from the page border and the text is narrow, less gap. And similarly, if we choose the custom margin, so we can here set ourselves. Suppose here I say 2 inches from the top margin 2 inches, okay, and I press. So now you can see there is more gap at the top and from the border of the page and the writing. Then if I want to apply the portrait, now you can see the layout is different, and in landscape it is horizontal, whereas in the portrait it is vertical. Similarly, if I choose the legal, that is more 8.5 into 14, okay, like if I click here, so the length of the page will be more as compared to A4 size, where length is 8.27 and 11.69 inches. So then if I want to apply the suppose here page line numbering, okay, so I say continuous. So now you can see my all documents has the line number that is continuous, okay, and suppose here I say none, so no line number is there. Similarly, if I want to apply the here I click here and indentation may be more, so it is giving much more indentation, okay, and minus 1 means more less gap towards the left side, and as you can see I'm going to increase it, so it is going to no gap, no indentation, and if I will increase the indentation, then it will increase over there. Now here this is the line spacing, okay, like I need to suppose I just want to apply here I go on, first I need to click here if I want to change the line spacing only for this paragraph. I need to select this paragraph, and then when I will click here on paragraph options, and here I can change the line spacing. Line spacing is here, that is multiple. Now I say no, I need single line spacing, or I need 1.5, so I press OK. So now you can say there is more gap between two lines, more space between two lines. Similarly, if I want to apply more space after a paragraph, so I will increase here. So I will click and then I increase. Now you can see the next paragraph is having more space after this first paragraph. Similarly, I can increase or decrease the spacing before a paragraph. So here I will click and then I say more. So you can see this paragraph having more space before it. Na? And then we can change the color of a page, like just I need to pick here the required color and I will click, the page background color will be changed, and we have more options over here, so we can pick any color of our page from this. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.